everyone, I am Bhuneshwari. In today's craft, we will have fun in making colorful paper bird. Materials required: color papers, Google eyes or handmade paper eyes, liquid gum, scissor.
Different size of color sheets. One is to 12 centimeter and the other one is 8 centimeter. Stick this like this. Now we'll stick small one like this. Take a piece of circle and cut it in the middle. Stick these pieces like this to make the wings. Like this, and another one like this, and the bird's wings are ready. Keep it for dry. So paper for legs of the bird. First I'll draw the legs of the bird like this. Okay, now we'll fold the paper, then we'll get 2 legs at a time. Cut this. Now the legs are ready. Stick this like this for the bird, and our legs, bird legs are ready. Another small sheet of paper to make the beak of the bird. Draw like this, then fold this equally. Now we'll cut over this, and now I got the beak like this. Now we'll stick it here like this. Here are the handmade paper eyes. We'll stick this to make a face of the bird. Another piece of paper to make the crown of the bird. I'll show how to draw the crown. Draw like this. Okay, now we'll cut. It's ready. We'll stick it over the head like this. Our bird is ready to creep.